How to factory reset your Google Nest Wi-Fi point. You turn it around and you press that little button for a few seconds and just wait.
You're about to completely reset this device. Release to cancel.
Don't cancel, don't release. Wait. And there it is. It resetted it. Now you can release and wait until it comes back. You can see the light pulsating, which means it's rebooting back. And the light has been pulsating white, and now it's finishing the process of rebooting completely.
To get started, use the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
The whole process took around 2.5 minutes.